Step inside, don't be shy, it's a frightful delight. This home's got charm and a ghostly bite. Cobweb curtains, bats in flight, skeletons dancing under moonlight. Jamie's here with a pumpkin grin, Omaha's friendliest, let's begin. Take a tour, see what's within. It's a haunted open house, come and stay. Goblins in the garden, witches say hey. Creaky floors, but it's got good bones. You'll love this spooky, cozy home. Kitchen cauldron brews up spells, a cackling laugh from the doorbell.
The attic whispers tales to tell, yet it's warm as pumpkin pie as well.